Hi friend, welcome to Quiz Academy. Today's challenge, guess the fast food restaurant by emoji. You'll get 35 questions and 8 seconds to guess each one. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite restaurant for a chance to be featured in our next video. Ready? Let's start the quiz. Let's start with an easy one. Can you guess the restaurant from these emojis? Great job, it's Domino's Pizza. Identify the restaurant using these emojis. Any idea? Nice, it's Blaze Pizza. Try to guess this one. What restaurant do these emojis represent? Correct, it's Dairy Queen. Can you name the restaurant shown by these emojis? Amazing, it's Little Caesars. Guess the fast food place represented by these emojis. Exactly, it's Burger King. This one should be easy. What place is this? Yes, it's Pizza Hut. Which restaurant is shown by these two emojis? Right, it's Starbucks. Any guesses for this one? Fantastic, it's Taco Bell. How about this one? Do you know it? Correct, it's Popeyes. Can you recognize this fast food restaurant? Well done, it's In-N-Out Burger. Can you guess this one from the emojis? Exactly, it's Shake Shack. Any idea what restaurant this could be? Yes, it's Sweet Frog. Give me the right answer. Which restaurant is this? It's Subway. Which fast food restaurant is behind these emojis? Correct, it's Chick-fil-A. I believe you know this one. It's KFC. So familiar. Can you identify this one? Amazing! It's Wendy's! Try to guess this super popular one. Whoa, it's McDonald's. Back to guessing. What's this restaurant? It's Church's Chicken. Where would you go to enjoy this kind of food? It's Dunkin' Donuts. Can you decode the restaurant from these emojis? It's Applebee's. Which restaurant could this be? Aha! It's Sonic. What place is associated with these emojis? That's Panda Express. Can you guess the restaurant behind these emojis? Great, it's Nando's. What's your answer for this one? Brilliant, it's Carl's Jr. What restaurant could be inferred from these emojis? It's Olive Garden. I believe you know this one. Correct, it's Waffle House. How about this one? Can you guess it? It's Wingstop. Can you guess the real restaurant from these emojis? That's right, it's Hardee's. Guess the restaurant based on these emojis. It's Firehouse Subs. Which restaurant do these emojis stand for? It's Smoothie King. Can you guess this one? It's It's Red Lobster. What do you think this one is? Very good, it's Five Guys. You can't go wrong with this one. It's Miss Beast Burger. Guess the name of the restaurant using these emojis. Excellent, it's Arby's. Which place features this emoji sequence? It's Steak and Shake. Great job. How many restaurants did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another fun quiz. Check out the videos on the screen for more challenges, and we'll see you in the next quiz. Thanks for playing with Quiz